Salom, classes, mening talabalarim. Siz menga bilan o'zbekcha o'rganmoq xohlaysiz? Muammo yo'q. Siz menga bilan o'zbekcha inshaalloh o'rganasiz. Men sizga o'zbekcha inshaalloh o'rgataman ajoyib. Ajoyib. Inshaalloh. So guys, in this video Uzbek session we are going to learn question words in Uzbek language. Guys, if you really want to speak Uzbek without question words, how can you speak? It's impossible. That's why I've selected the topic to teach you today the WH words were question words in Uzbek language. If you memorize them well, okay, one by one you can speak nicely. Here we have collected all the WH words, or you can say question words in Uzbek. So guys, please subscribe the channel if you are new one in our channel, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, let's start the video. Here question words for beginners. How near? Kacha yaqeen. Kacha yaqeen. How near? Kacha yaqeen. Who is called Kim? Kim. Who? Kim. Who's Kimning? Kimning. When? Kachon. When? Kachon. Why? Nega. Why? Nega. Which? Kaisi. Kaisi. From when? Kachon dan. From when? Kachon dan. Kachon dan. Kachon when, and dan from. Since when? Kachon dan beri. Dan beri since. Dan beri since. Here where? Where? Kairda. 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 To where? Kairga. Kairga. From where? Kair dan. Kair dan. From whose office Kimning idorasi dan. Kimning idorasi. Whose? Kimning idorasi dan. Okay, idorasi. So from whose office Kimning idorasi, and then from. From whose book Kimning kitobi dan. Kimning kitobi dan. Next, from which book or office? Kaisi kitob dan. Kaisi kitob dan. Kaisi kitob dan or idora dan. How kalai kandai. How kalai or kandai. How much nature. How much nature. How many nature or kancha. How far kancha uzo. Kancha uzo. If you want to say how near, so you have written kancha yaqeen. Kancha yaqeen. Like you want to say how expensive, so it will be kancha qimmat. Kancha qimmat. WH plus interrogative sentences or question words plus interrogative sentences, subject plus WH plus verb to be. Here who, we are practicing on who. Who are you? Sis kim sis. Sis kim sis. Well, I like an example. I'm Kunal. I'm an employee. I'm from India. Nowadays, I'm living in Gurgaon, Haryana. So, well, hope, men kunol man, men kunol man. Men istiman, I'm an employee. Men Hindistan dan man. I'm from India. Shukunlarda, these days, nowadays, men Gurgaon, Haryana da yashayap man. I live in Gurgaon. I'm living in Gurgaon, Haryana. So in this video, that much, please memorize all the question words, all WH words in Uzbek, and learn them well. Then we will practice more. We only today have practice on who. We'll practice more. Okay, like all WH will be exercised and practiced. Be continue with us if you want to learn Uzbek nicely and perfectly, and if you want to speak Uzbek well. Thank you in this video that much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.